Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Mina. This is part 2 of the Knitting for Absolute Beginners series. In this video, I will be showing you how to knit a stitch. There are 2 ways to work a stitch. You can knit it or purl it. That's it. It is by combining knits and purls that you can create all the different stitches that exist. After that, I will show you the garter stitch, which is worked entirely in knit stitches. It is the simplest stitch and it is super beautiful. So this is the garter stitch. And it's an absolutely lovely stitch for scarves, or really anything actually, because it lies flat. And it's the same on both sides. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I have my 25 stitches that I've cast on. And now I'm going to knit this first stitch. This is my working yarn here. My tail is down this end. And I'm gonna knit this stitch here. So the first row that you knit is usually a little bit tight after the cast on, but it will get a little bit easier the second row that you knit, so don't worry if it's a little bit tight. Okay, so I'm going to start by inserting my right needle into this top stitch. I'm going to insert it from the front, and I'm going to insert it from underneath the front part of this stitch. So underneath, I insert it into the stitch like so. Then I take my yarn and wrap it around the right needle. Then using the tip of the right needle, I'm going to catch this little bit of yarn here and pull it through. And then using the right needle, I'm going to slide this stitch that we just worked off the left needle like this. There we go. So that is how you knit a stitch. So we'll do the next one. Insert the needle from the front underneath the front part of this stitch like so. Wrap the yarn around the needle and pull it a bit. Then using the tip of the needle, catch that bit of yarn and then slide this old stitch off. Okay, let's do it again. So insert the right needle from the front under this bit of yarn. Wrap the yarn around. Catch the yarn and slide the old stitch off. off. So I've knit 3, 4, 5 stitches. I'm going to knit the rest of the stitches in this row and I will meet you there. Okay, so I have 1 stitch left. I'll knit that. Okay, and that is our first row. So we've knit every single one of these stitches. And now it's time to move on to the second row. So transfer this needle into your left hand. You got the working yarn here. You also have the tail there. You have to be careful not to get them mixed up. And now you repeat that process again. So we knit every single stitch in this row as well. So I'm going to scoot my stitches towards the top of the needles just so it's a little bit easier. Okay, so I've got, this is the working yarn here. I'm going to insert my needle again from the front underneath the front part of this stitch. I've got the working yarn here and then I wrap it around the needle, catch that bit of yarn and then slide this old stitch off. So insert the needle, wrap the yarn around, catch it, and slide the old stitch off. Insert the needle, wrap the yarn around, catch it, and slide the old stitch off. So just do this for the rest of the row and then you will have knit 2 rows. So I've knit about 8 rows now and you can see the garter stitch is starting to take shape. And that is all there is to the garter stitch. You just knit every single knit in every single row until you reach however long you want your project to be. So thank you so much for watching, and in the next video I will show you how to purl a stitch.